Hey everyone! Crumbs, pet hair, and dust slowly taking over your car interior? A messy car can ruin the whole driving experience. Welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are talking about the best car vacuum cleaner that makes cleaning quick and surprisingly easy. If you want power in a small package, this is something you will want to see. Let's get started. Meet the Senray CE-203 Car Vacuum Cleaner. Senray designed this compact device to make car cleaning simple, fast, and stress-free. The first thing you will notice is that it is completely wireless. No messy cords. No struggling to plug into awkward spots. It runs on an 11.1-volt system and weighs only 680 grams, which makes it extremely lightweight and easy to carry around. You can move freely from the front seats to the trunk without feeling tired or restricted. But do not let the small size fool you. Inside the CRCE203 is a powerful 11.1 volts high-speed brushless motor that can spin up to 130,000 RPM. That kind of speed means strong suction power. It easily pulls out dust from carpets, crumbs from seat gaps, and even stubborn debris stuck in corners. Because it uses a brushless motor, it is more efficient and built to last longer. It also runs smoother compared to traditional motors. Center added an anti-blocking rotation design, which helps prevent clogs when larger particles are picked up. This keeps the suction strong and steady. On top of that, there is an over-temperature warning system. If the device starts to get too hot during longer cleaning sessions, it alerts you. This protects the motor and keeps everything running safely. One of the most impressive parts of the Senray CE203 car vacuum cleaner is that it is not just a vacuum. It combines three main functions in one device. You can use it for vacuuming, blowing, and inflating and exhausting air. The blowing function is perfect for pushing dust out of tight spaces like air vents or keyboard gaps. The inflating function is great for small inflatables, thanks to the three included inflatable attachments. When you need to pack things away, the exhausting function helps remove air quickly. It is like having multiple tools in one compact machine. The airflow system is also carefully designed. It features a fully enclosed turbofan blade design. This improves airflow efficiency and helps keep dust from escaping back into the air. So while you are cleaning, the dirt stays inside the unit instead of floating around again. To keep performance strong over time, Senray uses a high-efficiency air filter. This filter captures fine dust and small particles. The best part is that it can be cleaned. By washing and reusing the filter, you maintain strong suction and avoid clogging. It also saves money since you do not need constant replacements. Battery life is another strong point. The 7,500 mAh battery gives you extended usage so you can clean your entire car without stopping halfway. When it is time to recharge, the vacuum includes a Type-C charging cable that supports 5 volts and 2 amperes charging. This makes charging simple and compatible with many common adapters. You can even charge it using the same type of charger as many smartphones. Senray also made sure you have full control over cleaning power. The CE-203 comes with high, medium, and low gears. For light dust on the dashboard, use the low setting to save battery. For deep carpet cleaning, switch to high gear for maximum suction. This flexibility makes the vacuum efficient and adaptable. The small details also make a big difference. The logo breathing light gives the vacuum a modern and stylish look, while the charging display helps you easily monitor battery status. You always know how much power you have left. Durability matters in a handheld device, and the ABS shell adds strong impact resistance. It feels solid and sturdy in your hand. Whether you are cleaning tight spaces or storing it in your car, it is built to handle daily use. The included accessories make this device even more versatile. You get a brush attachment for delicate surfaces, a flat tube for narrow gaps, and a large nozzle for wider areas. There are also 3 inflatable attachments for air-filling tasks. The long pole and long pole brush help you reach under seats or into deeper areas without bending too much. With all these tools, you are ready for almost any cleaning situation. The Sinner CE-203 car vacuum cleaner truly combines portability, strong motor performance, smart safety features, and multifunctional use in one compact device. It keeps your car clean, organized, and comfortable without taking up much space. Small size, serious power. If you are ready to upgrade your car cleaning routine, check the price link in the description. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful tech finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.